So we're renovating this room, and I'm thinking of putting some shelves right here where the bed is supposed to be. It's a really easy project for a DIY, so let's learn. Now, I've been talking a lot about memberships, and did you know you can only join this secret group after hitting the subscribe button? You'll get a link to join to get more videos just like this one. To start off, I'll be taking some measurements and marking out the space. This is so that I can put it into a CAD modeling program to visualize the final product and calculate how much wood I need for this project. I'm going to bring these to the wood shop so they can cut out all the pieces I need for the project. Now that I'm on site, I'm going to lay out these pieces so that I can build the skeleton on the ground. To prevent the wood from splitting, I am going to pre-drill some pilot holes before installing the screws. These supports will be attached to the walls using screws and nylon wall plugs. And since the entire shelf will take alignment from this frame, it is important that I get this perfectly level as I secure it to the wall. The top and bottom are just 5mm ply, which I secure to the frame with glue and screws. The front is a 12mm strip, which is also secured in the same way. The bottom shelf is also assembled and mounted just like the first one. The gaps between the shelf and the wall are filled with putty so that it forms a seamless joint with the surrounding walls. And once it's dry, I can sand down most of the high spots and round off the sharp edges of the shelf with the orbital sander. As this is the final sanding, do take care to make sure everything is as smooth as possible, including the walls, as all this will show up in the final paintwork. I'll give it all a wipe down before applying the final coat of paint. The paint I'm using is the same one that I've used for the walls. This is to create a seamless look. The LEDs are in. Look at how it transforms the room. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.